Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I showed up, but today I'm back with another beautiful and delicious recipe. We are making this stew that does not have a hint of tomato in it. Now we are just going to use vegetables to make this stew. Before we get started, please do want to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment for me. So let's get started. So for this, I'm just going to use these vegetables, some green pepper, carrots, and some onion. I'm just going to cut them into chunks, carefully wash them, and then blend them. It's been a minute since I posted on my channel, and I know you guys have missed me. I've missed you all so much, but life happened, and sometimes you just forget to do what you're supposed to do. But I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a lot of recipes that I can't wait to share with all of you. So please do want to subscribe if you have not done so already, okay? So into this, I'm just going to add a handful of red pepper into this and add everything, add a little bit of water and blend this up. Now this is the puree that we have, and this is what we are going to use to prepare our carrot stew. This is the first time I tried this stew and it came out so good. My family loved it. My father, who is a picky eater by the way, totally loved this stew. Like, I was super surprised. So I'm going ahead to add cooking oil to a saucepan. Into this, I'm going to add some diced onion into this. I'm just going to leave it in my saucepan to, how do you say this in English? To saute for some few minutes, and then I'm just going ahead to add my blended puree into it. That's basically it, guys. That's literally it. But be careful with this stew. This stew splatters a lot, so you'd want to cover up your stew from time to time whilst stirring it up so that it does not burn. So into this, I'm just going to add some seasoning that I had in my kitchen. I think this is a combination of rosemary and some natural seasoning that we had. Actually used Sankofa, but this is no way in promoting Sankofa. This is just my personal reference. So that's about it. I'm just gonna give this a stir and then leave it to simmer for some few minutes. Like I said, this stew really splatter a lot, so please do all and be careful. My lighting was so bad here. I was like, what is happening? I need to use my flashlight because it was so gloomy that day. It was almost about to rain, but I'd already started my recording, so I couldn't stop. So that's about it. I'm just giving it a stir, and as you can see, it's really splattering, so please do all to be careful, okay? So to add to my seasoning, I'm going to add this crayfish cube into it and then give it a little stir. I'm also going ahead to add a little bit of curry powder to give it that color, that yellowish color. And yeah, I'm going to give it a stir and then leave it to cook or simmer for some few other minutes. So I'm just adding up a little bit of mackerel that I had left over in my freezer into this. So okay, so let me ask this. Is this just me that like to break up her mackerel, or this is just my poverty talking? Again, I'm also going to add this chicken stock that I had from preparing my chicken. I've already fried my chicken, so after some few minutes, I'm just going ahead to add my fried chicken into the stew, and that's about it, guys. Your stew will be ready to be enjoyed. Okay, so now that my lighting is back to normal, thank God. Look at that color of the stew and look at how beautiful it is. Like, it was one of the delicious stews I've ever made. Like, and this stew, by the way, doesn't have tomatoes in it. Like, what? Growing up, the traditional way of preparing stew would always have to have, is that correct? Tomatoes in it. But look at that gorgeous, beautiful thing. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and leave a comment for me. Thank you guys so much for your continued support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.